ए ये बेटी है।
Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening. We'll let them join. I think last class was absent. Ritik,
Yes, sir.
last week he was absent.
Last week, sir, one time I was absent last week.
Okay. Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, good evening. Okay. Let's start.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. In exam worksheet, how many marks you got in test?
Sir, I got 35.
Ritvik, did you write the test or not?
Yes, sir.
How many marks you got?
So it's 21.
Okay. Can we check where you did mistakes? Can we check?
Yes.
Hmm. First worksheet 35. Which question you made a mistake? Ninth question you made a mistake. So what is the ninth question? Hmm? Okay. Hmm. Ninth question. Hmm. Neelu purchased a coat of 7,600. She had to pay 4% sales tax on it. Find the amount. Okay. What amount we have to find? We have to find sales tax. How much amount we paid as a tax we have to find. Easy only, na? Okay. See, let us, we will see here. What is the cost of yes. Yes. Hmm. Yes. What is the cost of coat? 7,600. Okay, this is the cost of coat. And how much tax he paid? He paid 4% tax. Okay. Then means from 7,600, 4% is the tax. So you calculate the amount. This is the percentage. Okay, tax amount becomes, how we will calculate? We know na, that is equal to 4% of 7,600. Okay, that will be 4% means 4 by 100 into 7,600. 2 zeros, 2 zeros cut. 76 into 4, 4 6 are 24, 4 7 are 28, 3 30. So 304 rupees he had paid as tax, sales tax. Okay. Huh? So find the amount of sales tax. Sales tax. So the option is not there. Huh? I think it is 7,600. Okay. No option is not there. Okay. Right. Right. Next, Ritvik, we'll see your result. Ritvik, 25. Why you got less mark, Ritvik? Second question wrong. Second question wrong. Okay. Ninth question, okay, leave it. So the second one and third one is wrong. What are the second one and third one? This you know now.
Yes, sir, I want mistake. It's 10%, 0.1.
Okay, 0.1% means 1 by 10 into 100. Okay, 0 cut 1 10 is 10%. So B is the correct answer, right?
Sir, I didn't check that. Probably.
You know this, but you did mistake, right? And third one also is out of 40 students in a class, 10 are boys. What is the percentage? Okay, your voice is breaking. Ritik.
Yes, sir.
So this is also easy only, na? I will explain how. You don't know the answer? See, in a class there are 40 students. Okay, 40 students. Out of 40 students, 10 are boys. 10 are boys. What is the percentage you have to find? What is the percentage of the boys? How we will find total number of boys 10 out of 40. We have to find the percentage, na? So into 100. 0 cut 10. Okay, 2 2s are 2 5s are 2 1s are 2 5s are 5 5s are 25. So 25% of boys are in that class. 10 boys out of 40, 10 boys means in percentage it is a 25%. Okay. Next time don't do this type of silly mistakes. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Right. Okay. Now let us start the new session. So now we will see that up to now what we have learned. Do you have any idea? What we have learned in the previous classes in this comparing quantities? We have learned percentages, right? Percentages. Percentages means we have how to convert fraction into percentage and how to convert decimal number into fraction into percentage. Okay. And how to convert a number into fraction percentage. All these things in the first session we completed. In the next session, what we have completed, what we have learned means increasing or decreasing. If the quantity will be increased, if the quantity will be increase or decrease, what will happen in the percentage? In the percentage also that increase will be affected, right? How it will be affected, we have solved many problems. And the next topic is profit and loss. Profit and loss we have discussed in the previous class. When we will get the profit. So here to get the profit or loss, we have two things. One is selling cost price and another one is selling price. Okay. So if cost price is lesser than the selling price, then we will get the profit, right? Is it right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If the cost price is more, okay, than the selling price, then we will get the loss. Okay. Then how we will calculate the profit? Selling price minus cost price will be profit.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
For example, if you buy a pen for 10 rupees and you sell it for 12 rupees, then you will get profit or loss. Obviously, profit only we will get. How we will calculate that? From the selling price. Here selling price is more. Selling price is more. So from that selling price, if you will subtract the cost price, you will get the profit. Okay. So the same thing. Loss how you will get means here which one is more, cost price is more. So you just subtract the selling price from the cost price. Then you will get the loss. Okay. These things we have discussed already. And how we will calculate the profit percentage or loss percentage? Okay, I said either profit, only profit, only loss means we just subtract. Profit means selling price minus cost price, we will get. Only loss means cost price minus selling price, we will get. But if you want to get the percentage, then what we have to do? Percentage of profit or loss we will calculate only on which cost price only, na? Tell me, give the response. Otherwise, I can understand
Yes, sir. The
whether
cost
you are
price.
listening or not. I can't understand properly. Okay, if you will give the response means profit or loss will be calculated on cost price. Profit percentage formula is profit by profit amount. It is in number. Okay, profit amount by selling price into 100. If you will do means we will get the profit percentage. In the same way, we will get the loss percentage means loss amount. How much amount you got loss? That one by this is also cost price only. Okay, into 100. This gives us the percentage of loss. Right. These are the commercial mathematics problems. You just pay the more concentration, then only you can understand easily. Okay. All these are the daily life usage problems, right? See here. So all these things we have discussed earlier in the previous class. Now this one no need. Now we will discuss. Yes. Now we will discuss the two topics we completed, right? One is percentages, clear percentages, and another one is cost price, selling price, loss, profit, and loss percentage, profit percentage. Keep this in your mind. Okay. So charge given on borrowed money. Okay. Or simple interest. This is very, very important. Simple interest. Okay. If you want to see, for example, if you will take a money, if you will take a money from others, like borrow, as a borrow, okay, that amount is called sum of amount, okay, or principal amount. Okay, generally you will see whenever we have to buy a bike or car, okay, so we will not pay the total full amount. We will pay some amount. For the remaining amount, we will take the loan. Do you have any idea about loan? Your mother, your father or mother
Sir,
are buying? Huh?
so basically it's taking money from the bank, using it, and again repaying.
Yes, yes. Taking the money from the bank, okay, or some companies or some other people's, that amount is called principal amount. How much amount you are taking? For example, your father want to buy a car. It is nearly for 10 lakhs. Okay, so if your father paid 2 lakhs, then the remaining 8 lakhs the banks will give. Okay, remaining 8 lakhs banks will give. So that amount he will take for some interest. Okay. Yes. Okay. So that amount they will take. So whatever amount they are taking, borrow, whatever. Hey, whatever amount they are taking from the banks or some companies. 1 minute. Yes. So if you will take the amount, any amount as the borrow, as the loan, that amount is called principal amount. Principal amount. That amount is called principal amount. So why they will give the amount for us? Simply they will not give na. They will expect some extra money from us. Whatever amount they will give, so for that amount, they will expect some extra money. Okay, along with that money, they will expect some extra money. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is called that extra money along with the principal amount. Whatever amount we have taken from the bank or something, okay, along with that amount, we have to pay some amount, some interest amount. Okay, so that amount is called interest. Okay. So after at the end of some period or after 2 years, after 3 years, after some time, we will pay. They will collect from us this total amount plus interest. Okay, plus interest. So these together we will call amount. Together, what we will call amount. Okay, so the amount we are borrowing, that amount is called principal and interest. So we have to pay some extra money for them, that interest. Together we are calling what? Interest. Okay, interest, right? So amount is equal to principal plus interest. That is the thing. Understand now what is the principal and what is the amount. Amount will be denoted by capital A, principal will be denoted by P, interest will be denoted by I. Okay. And Anita takes, see this example, if you see means you can understand easily, right? What Bansika, you are trying to say something?
No, sir, that time it wasn't working. Now it's working.
What?
That time my mic wasn't working. Now it's working.
Yeah, I cannot able to listen your voice. Voice is fully disturbed. Bansika, your voice is fully disturbed, ma. Okay. Whenever you will get that time. Anita takes loan 5,000 rupees at interest 15% per year. Okay, as the rate of interest. Okay, that is called rate of interest. Okay, find the interest she pay to the end of 1 year. After 1 year, along with that amount, whatever the amount she has taken along with that amount, how much she will pay. Okay, so we have to calculate the interest. Okay, now serious. Anita takes a loan 5,000. Anita takes a loan 5,000. That 5,000 is what? What is that 5,000? Amount of principal.
So principal.
is a,
Determined.
that is a principal. So principal P is equal to 5,000, right? And this is 15% is what? Rate of interest. We will indicate it as I. Okay, interest. Rate of or. Okay, we will indicate it as or. Or means rate of interest. Rate of interest. Okay. And R is equal to 15 percentage. It is given in the percentage. So what we have to find? We have to find the interest. Interest. How much amount we will get? We have to pay as the interest. Okay. For example, if we will take 100 rupees or 15% means, what is the interest? What is the interest? 15% means 15 by 100, okay, into
100.
15 by 100 into 100 here. 100 cancel 15 rupees. So for 100, 15 rupees. But here they are asking for 5,000 now. So you can
15 by 5,000.
Into 5,000. Two zeros start 0, 15 5 is 75. So at the end of the year, for 1 year, at the end of the year, how much interest he will pay? 7,500. How much amount he will pay? Amount means principal amount. What amount he has taken? Principal amount plus interest. Interest. Okay. Percentage.
1,000.
Percentage means rate of interest.
Amount is
Or
5,150.
okay. I means interest amount, that is. So principal is 5,000 plus interest is 750. Total 5,750 he has to pay along with the interest. Right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now you write here you will write heading, you put simple interest, like heading you put you just put the heading simple interest and then write this definition. Extra money to pay is known as interest, and this everything you write. Projects completed.
Subjects are completed.
Sir, worship completed.
This question also.
Sir, Yashwant completed.
No, Yashwant, why you got very less mark, 0 mark in the exam?
Sir, Anubhav completed.
Okay, okay. Why Anubhav Banerjee, you did not attempt the test? Bansika, you also did not attempt the test. Why? Tell me the reason.
Sir, because I was traveling on Sunday.
Because of?
Because I was traveling that day.
Okay. Anubhav Banerjee?
Sir, I was out of station.
So they had to keep my school longer, sir, on Saturday.
Okay, okay. But everyone should attempt it. Right? Next. And simply here to calculate simple interest formula. Simple interest. Simple interest means we will calculate for at the end of the 1 year, at the end of the 2 years, at the end of the 3 years, how much interest we will get. See here, at the end of the 1 year, how much interest we got? 750 rupees we got here. So this is called what means simple interest, that will be denoted as SI. Sometimes we have to calculate for 2 years, 3 years, like that. Okay, that is called simple interest. So simple interest is denoted by SI. Is equal to formula is P into T into R by 100. PT R by 100. Okay, here what is P? P is what?
Principal.
And T is time. Time means for 1 year, for 2 years, for 3 years, like that. R means rate of interest. Okay, P is principal. Principal. P is time. And R is rate of interest. Okay. So using this formula, we can find the simple interest. After finding the simple interest amount, how we will get? Amount is equal to what? Principal plus simple interest. Okay. So these are the formula. Okay, once you know this is very, very important. Everyone know this. Discuss. What is the formula for simple interest? PTR by 100. And the amount formula is principal plus simple interest. Right? Sometimes they will ask to find a simple interest. Sometimes they will ask to find what is that? Time they will ask to find in the questions. Sometimes they will ask to find rate of interest, like that. Sometimes they will ask the amount like that. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Now we will see the problems. First question, how 10,000 rupees is invested, 5% rate of interest per annum. PA means per annum. Annum means for 1 year. Per year. Annum means year. Per annum for 1 year. Find the interest. at the end of 1 year. Okay, at the end of 1 year. Tell me, what is the P here? First question, what is the P?
Sir, 10,000.
10,000, right. What is the time?
Sir, per annum, 1 year.
1 year, see, at the end of the year, at the end of the year. This you have to see. Okay, this rate of interest always per annum like that. Okay, 1 year. And what is the rate of interest?
Sir, 5%.
Yes, 5%. What we have to find? We have to find the interest. Interest means simple interest. So simple interest we have to find. So what is the formula for simple interest? E into T into R by 100. Okay. So then P how much? 10,000 time 1 year. Rate of interest 5 divided by 100. Two zeros cut. How much?
Sir, it's
It's
so
Five?
500.
500. So the rate of interest 5%, but interest as an amount, how much you will get the interest means that will be the 500, right?
Yes.
Okay. Like this, we have to solve the problems. Okay. Now you just solve the second one and borrow 6 point. Okay. Second one you solve first. Write the first one and solve the second one and tell me the answer. Everyone should solve it. That's completed. Solve the second one.
Yes.
Worship completed, sir.
Second one solve.
Sir, completed.
Yes, sir.
Same like that only. What is changed here at the end of the 2 years? Repeat.
Yes, sir, I'm solving second.
Oh, yes. Yashwant. Yashwant. That's why not do. Anubhav,
Yes, sir.
solving.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm done with the first one.
Yashwant.
I'm doing the second one.
Second one also you should solve.
Sir.
So second one done.
Tell me the answer.
Sir, it's 490 rupees. 490.
Is it correct? The remaining? He's saying 490 rupees. Yashwanta, who said it? This
Sir,
answer?
Krithvik.
Huh?
Krithvik, sir.
Ah, Prithvi.
Sir, I also got the same.
Yes, sir, it is correct.
Bansika, is it correct?
Sir, I'm
Is
close. It's done, sir.
Now let us see the third one. Okay. Third one is, what is the principal amount in third one? Rupees 6,050 is borrowed at the rate of interest. Rate of interest means, or how much? 6.5. Okay, and what we have to find the time? Can you say time? Third one, time.
So 3 years.
Sir, 3.
Yes, 3. It will be 3 years. Okay, this is 6.5%. What we have to find? We have to find interest, means SI we have to find. And what we have to find? Finally, how much amount they will get. So amount means A also we have to find. So first we will find the simple interest. So simple interest what? T into R by 100, right? So here T is 6050 times 3 into 6.5 by 100. See here, rate of interest is in decimal point, right? How we will do this? 6050 into 3 into this, we will write 65 by 10 now. Decimal now, after the decimal point there is one digit, so we will write by 10 divided
Yes,
by 100. So this zero cancel. Okay, and this is 5 2s are 0, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. Okay, this is 5 4s are 20, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. Okay. Right? Then cancellation is possible. No. This is 121 into 13 3s are 39 by 4. Okay. So this is the simple interest amount. This we have to calculate. How much? 121 into 39 multiply 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18, 9 1 is 9 1, 10. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 6, 9 and how much? 11, 7, 4. So 4719 divided by 4. That equal to divide 4719 by 4. 4 1s are 4. 7, 4 1s are 4. 3. Okay. 3 and 1. Okay. 4 7s are 28. Okay. This is 3 and 9. 4 9s are 36. 3.047 are 28 by 2045 are 20. So the amount is 1171.75. This is the interest. What is this? This is the interest. Now amount is equal to, what is the formula? Interest we got. Amount is, what is the formula? Principal amount plus interest. Principal amount 6,050 plus how much interest?
1,000.
171.75. So final answer is 0.75. 1. Okay, 7, 12. Okay, 3. 2. 2. So this is 6,221 7 rupees total amount they will get. Right? Understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Like this simplification only, calculation part only difficult, but everything is same only. First we have to find the interest using that formula. Okay, using that formula, right? You write this one first. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. And solve the this one completed.
So still a diff.
Okay, complete. After the class every day, tomorrow there is no maths class. Now you just practice all these four problems. Whatever the class, that class once you rewind it, then only it will be easy. You listen the class and leaving means there is no use. It will be not helpful for you. Whatever the class completed, that tomorrow you should practice on that. What we have discussed, what is the formulas we have discussed, how the questions, problems we have solved. Like that, we just go through this, go through with that.
So it's done.
Worksheet done.
Yes, okay. Now fourth one, right? Now solve the fourth question. These questions are somewhat calculation part like that, some difficult. So we just do this. Same question only now. Fourth one, principal amount is given, rate of interest is given, and borrowed for 2 years. Time is given. You have to find the amount at the end of the second year. Okay. So first you have to what you have to find SI you have to find SI. After that amount you have to find. So principal plus SI. Find it and tell me the answer. Everyone should solve it.
So,
Ah.
sir, for amount, this is second year, right, sir?
Second year means time 2 years. Time 2. T2 is 7,000. R is 3.5. Same like this only. See here SI. Calculation part, be careful.
Okay, sir. So normal formula A equal to P plus SI.
After finding simple interest, SI, okay, then you
Yes.
can add the simple interest to the principal. That will be the amount.
Okay, sir. Who solved? Anybody?
Sir, not yet.
Do it, do it. Slowly, don't do the mistakes.
Sir, I got 56,000 as amount.
What?
Sir, I got amount as 56,000.
56,000.
Yes, sir.
Your principal amount alone is 7,000. How you will get 56,000?
Sir, I got 490.
Interested.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will check. Let them solve it. 490 interest. Then amount? Amount, they are asking about not interest. You should just find interest and see interest formula is said now.
Okay, sir.
Yes. What Bansika? Bansika and
Is it 7,490?
okay, let me check. We will check. Wait. See, this is 7,000 or is 3.5%. Time is what? 2 years. So simple interest is P into T into R by 100. Then what will happen? 7,000. Very easy. 3.5 times 2 by 100. Okay. Then,
Sir, it is 100.
wait, I will wait. See here. So 7,000 into 3.5 means 35 by 10 into 2 by 100. Two zeros cut. Here 1 cut. So 7 into 35. How much? 35 into 7. 7 5 is 35. 21, 24. 245 into 35. Sorry, 245 into 2. How much? 490. Right. This is simple interest. Okay, Anubhav Banerjee, you are correct. Okay, now what we want to find, they are not asking interest. They are asking amount. Okay. See, amount is equal to, what is the formula? Principal plus simple interest. Principal is 7,000. Simple interest is 490. Total 7,490 rupees at the end of the second year. 2 years they will get. Right? Right out?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Right.
So done.
Sir, done.
Sir, done.
Right, right, right. So once you practice all these problems, otherwise you will forget.
The worksheet completed.
Okay.
So it's completed.
Hmm.